Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज ऋषिकेश यहाँ पे मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ के लिए एंट्रेंस एग्जाम हुआ था 23 नवंबर 2023 को, और इसमें ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज ऋषिकेश में मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ MPH कोर्स के लिए डिपार्टमेंटल असेसमेंट एग्जाम होना है, जो कि 6 दिसंबर 2023 वेडनेसडे को है। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ के जो इंटरव्यू होते हैं, डिपार्टमेंटल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होते हैं विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट, जैसे कि एम्स ऋषिकेश, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ गांधीनगर और अदर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ अहमदाबाद, गांधीनगर, हैदराबाद और जो अन्य सिटीज़ में दिल्ली आदि में, और ICMR भुवनेश्वर, मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी। तो जिन भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के लिए मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ के जो इंटरव्यू के बेस पे एडमिशन्स होते हैं या जो रिटन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के बाद जो इंटरव्यूज होते हैं, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक यूजफुल है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आदि के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के PDF नोट से लेना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियोज मिलते रहें और वेरियस इंटरव्यू एडमिशन्स और जॉब्स के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे। तो यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं पब्लिक हेल्थ के लिए, एडमिशन्स के लिए जो इंटरव्यू होते हैं मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ, उसके लिए यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस बताए जा रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पब्लिक हेल्थ? आंसर, पब्लिक हेल्थ हैज बीन डिफाइंड एज द साइंस एंड आर्ट ऑफ प्रिवेंटिंग डिसीज, प्रोलॉन्गिंग लाइफ एंड इम्प्रूविंग क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ थ्रू ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एफर्ट्स एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइसेस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट communities and individuals. The public can be as small as a handful of people or as large as a village or an entire city. The concept of health takes into account physical, psychological and social well-being. As such, according to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Next question, second, what is the purpose of MPH program? Answer, the purpose of a public health intervention is to prevent and mitigate diseases, injuries and other health conditions. The overall goal is to improve the health of populations and increase life expectancy. Next question number 3, what are objectives of MPH program? Answer, on completion of MPH, that is Master of Public Health course, a public health professional should be able to first identify and prioritize key public health issues, second understand principles involved in management of health service organizations and in planning future development of health services, third understand principles involved in economic assessment of health and of services implemented, practiced for its protection and restoration. Fourth, develop competency in research and understand ethical principles relevant to public health work. Fifth, encourage community participation in health-related activities and programs. Question number 4, why do you want to pursue MPH course? Answer, I want to pursue Master of Public Health MPH course because I have interest in public health. Public health education for long has been expected to find solutions for multitude of public health problems. Existing capacity and hence output in field of public health in India is highly inadequate to meet this need. To ensure that such a critical mass of public health experts is built and maintained, it is recommended to strengthen training capacity of individuals working in field of healthcare. A Master of Public Health MPH is a graduate level degree designed to train students to protect and improve the health of communities. As an MPH, I will learn how to foster better health through education, research and the promotion of best wellness practices. There is a high demand for workers at all levels in public health. With more education and experience, I can secure higher paying positions, which are increasingly opening up in the private sector. For students who go to work for non-profits, there is an opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of economically challenged communities. Teaching and leadership positions give graduates an opportunity to shape the minds of the next generation and directly impact public and private policies that improve health and wellness. Next question number 5. What do public health workers do? Answer. Public health professionals protect the health of populations. Think about it like this. In the medical field, doctors and nurses treat people who are sick and injured. In the public health field, professionals work to prevent disease and injury in the first place. When an infectious disease is spreading, public health professionals work to track it, stop it, and keep communities as healthy as possible. They identify the causes of disease and disability and implement solutions to treat them, but on a much larger scale. Like other health practitioners, public health workers also promote good health and wellness among the people with which they work. They encourage healthy behaviors and teach people or populations how to execute healthy habits and proper self-care. This might mean working with people on nutritious and healthy eating or emphasizing the importance of good mental health. One of the core responsibilities of public health professionals, whether researchers, practitioners, or educators, is to research, develop and implement programs for change. Below are some other examples of what public health professionals will tackle on a daily basis: preventing and developing strategies to stop bullying in schools, preventing cancer and researching potential causes, developing vaccines for diseases, preventing HIV or AIDS in certain demographics, exploring the causes of and further preventing autism, developing policies around to smoking to prevent lung disease and second-hand smoke in communities, promoting sustainable habits to protect the greater environment, developing reproductive health program to prevent infant mortality and disease, educating people about the effects of drugs and alcohol to prevent addiction, implementing safety standards in organizations to protect workers, developing nutrition programs in schools to ensure children eat healthy, ensuring distant communities have access to quality health care and services. Question 6. Where do public health professionals work? Answer. The work of a public health professional can take place in just about any setting. You can work in a clinical setting alongside other health professionals. You can work behind the scenes in a research environment, investigating causes and interventions for disease. You can work within communities and organizations, teaching the people about proper health. You can direct and administrate other public health workers in a management setting. You can also work on the front line of change within populations, both big and small. A public health professional may work in communities as small as a company or local neighborhood, or in populations as big as an entire country or region. Next question number 7. How do you become a public health pro? Answer. As noted above, there are many different career paths within the field of public health. You can work in informatics or research, or pursue a job in emergency response. You can become a health educator, an outreach specialist, or a policy advisor, depending on your passions and interest and the title you pursue. The education requirements will vary. Generally speaking, however, public health professionals are required to have a college degree. With a bachelor degree in public health, you can become a health educator, education coordinator, child development specialist, community health worker, or healthcare administrator, among other vital job titles. With a master in public health, you can land critical and high-paying careers such as a biostatistician, disaster and emergency specialist, public health director, and epidemiologist. The list goes on because the field is all-encompassing, affecting all facets of healthcare and all areas of the world. The public health career options are truly endless. Question 8. Why do you want to pursue MPS course from AIMS Rishikesh? Answer. School of Public Health, AIMS Rishikesh is dedicated to provide excellency in public health education, research, fellowship, training and highest standard of care to community. Master of Public Health MPS program at AIMS Rishikesh is developed to provide professional, critical, multidisciplinary training to help tackle various public health issues and achieve leadership position. Aim of program is to develop best quality public health professional to deliver outstanding health care to all through evidence-based public health practice. Students from diverse disciplinary and professional backgrounds at Public Health AIMS Rishikesh are imparted training by using different pedagogical methods, which includes problem-solving exercises, field-based training, including observerships in organizations working in field of public health, case studies and other interactive methods. Question number 9. Who is the director of AIMS Rishikesh at present? Answer. Meenu Singh, 2022 to present. Question number 10. What is the motto of AIMS Rishikesh? Answer. Vishwa Rogya Hi Dharmo Na. Motto in English: Global health is the dharma for us. Question 11. Who is the president of AIMS Rishikesh? Answer. Samiran Nondi. Question 12. What is the website of AIMS Rishikesh? Answer. aimsrishikesh.edu.in. Question number 13. Give brief description about AIMS Rishikesh. Answer. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh. AIMS Rishikesh is a medical college and hospital based in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, India. The institute operates autonomously under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Minister for Health and Family Welfare serves as the president. It is one of the institutes of national importance in India. History. In 2004, central government decided to set up new AIMS at Rishikesh, Bhopal, Patna, Jodhpur, Bhubaneswar and Raipur. Though the announcement was made in 2003 during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's tenure, the project was delayed owing to the power shift at the center. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences Amendment Bill 2012 was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 27th August 2012. This bill also replaced a recent ordinance which allowed the 6 AIMS institutes to become operational from September 2012. Lok Sabha passed the AIMS Amendment Bill on 30 August 2012. The proposed measure will help the center change the status of its 6 new AIMS institutes registered under the Indian Societies Registration Act to be an autonomous body incorporated on the lines of the existing AIMS in Delhi. The AIMS Amendment Bill 2012 was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on 3rd September 2012. The Rajya Sabha passed the AIMS Amendment Bill 2012 on 4th September 2012. AIMS started its academic session in August 2012. A 200-bed hospital at AIMS Rishikesh was inaugurated by then Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Gulab Nabi Azad on 10th February 2014. Hospital as of 2019, AIMS Rishikesh Hospital had 960 beds, 25 functional modular operating theatres, 17 functional super specialty and 18 specialty functional medical college and nursing college. This is the picture of AIMS Rishikesh Medical College. AIMS started its MBBS course with 50 students and now has an intake capacity of 125 students per year from year 2020. Nursing College has an intake of 100 students per year. Director first Rajkumar 2012 to 2016, then Sanjeev Mishra 2016 to 17, then Ravikant 2017 to 2021, and Arvind Rajvanshi 2021 to 2022. Additional charge मीनू सिंह 2022 टू प्रेजेंट। तो इस वीडियो में इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एमपीएस कोर्स के लिए इंटरव्यूज के जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं, एम्स ऋषिकेश के जो डिपार्टमेंटल असेसमेंट एग्जाम है 6 दिसंबर, और अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज जैसे कि इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ गांधीनगर, आईसीएमआर भुवनेश्वर, मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी और अदर सभी यूनिवर्सिटीज जिनके लिए इंट्रेंस एग्जाम के बाद इंटरव्यू या इंटरव्यू के बेस पे एडमिशंस होते हैं पब्लिक हेल्थ कोर्स के लिए, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक यूजफुल है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ, हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट और अदर कोर्सेज के एंट्रेंस के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के पीडीएफ नोट से लेना चाहते हैं, 1941151397 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना रखा है जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियोज मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।